Hello my dear students, myself Dr. PITAMBAR HUMANE, founder Botany for You and working as Professor and Head Department of Botany, Dharampeth M Deo Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Maharashtra. I welcome you all in this online platform for the students of Life Sciences Botany for You. Friends, if you are new or not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, then kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Botany for You. And also press bell icon for the alerts of every lecture to be uploaded on different life sciences titles. If you want to associate with us through the Telegram group, then the link is given in the description so that you can join the Telegram group and can take the advantage of the literature assistance in the form of PDF as well as career opportunities in life sciences in India and abroad. Friends, in our earlier classes, we have completed 3 different units of this paper, that is the Botany 1 of semester 3 prescribed by RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur. In today's class, we will discuss the different 60 MCQ type of the questions based on the last unit of this paper, that is the 4th unit, which is based on biofertilizers. So first of all, let's see the syllabus of this unit. As per the new syllabus, every paper is based on the skill development in the form of 4th unit. In the first topic of this unit, which include the biofertilizers, that is the definition, scope and the importance. Then the various microbes used as a biofertilizers. Then in a third topic, commercial production of biofertilizers, which include the Rhizobium, Azotobacter, then phosphate solubilizing bacteria, Bacillus polymixa and the Azolla. So let's see the different 60 MCQ type of the questions on this unit. Question number 1. The microbial inoculants are also called as. The microbial inoculants are itself the biofertilizer. They are not the biopollutant and not the biodegradants, and hence the question number 1 answer will be A. Then which of the following is an example of biofertilizer? The rhizofertilizer, which includes the Rhizobium, Azofertilizer, which include the Azotobacter, and the Cyanobacteria, which includes the different members of the Cyanophyceae or the blue-green algae. It means that all these 3 are used as biofertilizers, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then which of the following is not the type of biofertilizer? Number 1, that is the nitrogen biofertilizer. Many microorganisms are used as a biofertilizer because of their activity or the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and hence this is correct one. Second one, that the phosphate solubilizing biofertilizer, and this is also used as a biofertilizer. Then phosphate mobilizing biofertilizer. So some of the microorganisms, they have the ability of the phosphate solubilization and the mobilization, and hence these are also the correct, and hence none of the above, as it is said, not the type of biofertilizer, and hence D will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following are importance of biofertilizers? Number 1, they improve the soil texture. This is the correct statement because the biofertilizer are responsible to improve the texture of the soil. Then they are non-polluting. This is also correct. They are not polluting the soil or the air or the water, and hence they are used extensively as a biofertilizer. Then do not allow the pathogen to flourish, and this is also the correct one, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then which of the following are the advantages of use of biofertilizer? If the biofertilizers will be used in the fields, then what will be the advantages to the farmers? Keep the soil biologically active. This is correct, as it is responsible to increase the texture of the soil and the nutrients in the soil. Then add the considerable amount of atmospheric nitrogen. Again, many biofertilizers are involved in absorption of the atmospheric nitrogen, that is the different microbes, bacteria and the cyanobacteria, and hence there is increase in the amount of the nitrogen. Then provide the adequate amount of phosphorus and other micronutrients, and this is also the correct, as we have seen earlier that the phosphate solubilizing bacteria as well as the phosphate mobilizing bacteria are there, which are responsible to increase the phosphate in the soil, and hence D will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following organisms are not used as a biofertilizer? The cyanobacteria are the organism which has the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and hence they are the best biofertilizers. Then mycorrhiza, in association with that of the roots, that is the fungi, in association of the root of the higher plants, is known as the mycorrhiza, which is responsible for the absorption of the many nutrients from the soil. Then Rhizobium is responsible to form the root nodules with the leguminous plants, and hence again it helps to provide the extra nourishment in the form of the nitrogen, and hence all these three are the different organisms or the group of the organisms which are used as a biofertilizer, and hence not used means none of the above will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following is not used as a biofertilizer? Azotobacter is used as a biofertilizer. Azolla is also used as a biofertilizer, and Azospirillum is also used as a biofertilizer, and hence not used means none of the above will be the answer. Then organisms that secretes organic acid and lower the pH in their vicinity to bring about the dissolution of bound phosphate in the soil is known as. So, if we see the definition of the phosphate solubilizing bacteria or the phosphate solubilizing microorganism, then these are the organisms which secrete the organic acid and lower the pH in the vicinity to bring about the dissolution of the bound phosphate in the soil, and hence the phosphate solubilizing bacteria will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following help to increase the phosphate in soil? The Cyanobacteria is responsible to increase the nitrogen. Azolla is also responsible to increase the nitrogen, and Pseudomonas is responsible to increase the phosphate, and hence C will be the correct answer for this question. Then use of biofertilizers is beneficial because number one, it has ability to enhance the productivity. Correct one, because of the use of the biofertilizers there is an increase in the crop production. It can increase the soil fertility. This is also the correct statement because use of the biofertilizer is responsible to retain the soil fertility. Then they are low cost fertilizer because the biofertilizers are cheaper than the chemical fertilizers, and hence all these three statements which are given, they are correct with respect to the biofertilizer, and hence these are beneficial, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then Azolla is used as a biofertilizer because now when we see the Azolla, so actually the Azolla is a peridophyte or it is a aquatic fern. In Azolla there is a Cyanobacteria, and this Cyanobacteria, that is the Anabaena, and this Anabaena is responsible to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and hence it contains the nitrogen fixing Cyanobacteria or the Anabaena. That will be the correct answer for this question. Then Azolla is, as I said here, it is a pteridophyte or the aquatic fern, and hence the A will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following are the examples of phosphate solubilizing bacteria? Number one, the Bacillus. Number two, the Pseudomonas, and number three, Aspergillus. So if you see all these three, these are the different phosphate solubilizing microorganisms, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then which of the following is Azotobacter inoculant application in fields? Number one, that is the foliar application, second one is the seed treatment, and third one is the seedling treatment. In all the way, the Azotobacter inoculant application is carried out in the field, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then Azotobacter is responsible to produce. If you see the function or the application of the Azotobacter, then it is responsible for the synthesis of the nitrogen or to fix the nitrogen, then synthesis of the indolacetic acid and also the gibberellic acid, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then which of the following bacteria grow on medium containing sodium chloride? The characteristic feature of the Agrobacterium is to grow on the media with sodium chloride, and hence the Agrobacterium will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following criteria is used to select good Rhizobium strain of bacteria to be adopted for biofertilizers? So number one, efficiency of the nitrogen fixing nodules on all the host plant to which it is recommended. This is a very important characteristic feature when we are going to select the strain of the Rhizobium. Second one, efficient performance in a wide range of the agricultural fields, that is in the different climatic condition, and this is also the very important when it is utilized as a biofertilizer, and hence both A and B become the answer for this question. Then which of the following bacteria secretes ketolactase enzyme? You should remember that the Agrobacterium is responsible to secrete the ketolactase enzyme, and hence A is the correct answer. Then which of the following is used to maintain pH of medium? If you see the maintenance of the pH, that is lower as well as the higher, here the potassium hydroxide and the sulfuric acid both are used to maintain the pH, either to lower or to increase, and hence both A and B become the answer for this question. Then mass production of Rhizobium in large fermenter need the pH, and that the correct range is 6.5 to 7, and hence A will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following is free living nitrogen fixing organism? Rhizobium is a symbiotic organism to fix the nitrogen with the leguminous plants. Azotobacter is a free living organism, and Azolla with the Anabaena, that is the symbiotic association. So the free living organism which fix the atmospheric nitrogen will be the Azotobacter. Then for Rhizobium multiplication, the temperature requirement is, there is need of the 22 to 24 degrees Celsius temperature maintenance for the multiplication of the Rhizobium, and hence A will be the correct answer for this question. Then what is YEMA? That is YEMA. Number one, that is the yeast extract mannitol agar. So this is a type of the agar which is to be used to culture the different microorganisms, and hence A is only the correct answer. Then what is GPA? The long form of the GPA is the glucose peptone agar. Again, it is a type of the agar to culture the microorganisms during the multiplication of the organisms, and hence A will be the correct answer for this question. Then glucose peptone agar, that is the GPA test, is confirmatory test of the GPA test is carried out for the Rhizobium, and hence B will be the correct answer for this question. In CRIMA test, the Rhizobium colonies plates are incubated at the the 28 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature, and hence A will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following method is best for the application of Azolla in the field? There are the two different methods to apply the Azolla in the rice fields. That is the inoculation of the Azolla in the soil prior to the rice cultivation, and the transplantation of the rice followed by the water draining and incorporation of the Azolla. This is the second method of application of the Azolla in the rice field, and hence both A and B become the answer for this question. Then Azolla is used as a biofertilizer in field of crops, like earlier question I told that we have to apply it in the rice field, and hence B will be the correct answer. And the reason is that here the ample of water is present in the field when the rice is cultivated, and for the growth and development of the Azolla there is need of the water as it is a aquatic fern. Then to successful cultivation of the Azolla, the optimum pH is, there is need to maintain the pH at 8, and hence the B will be the correct answer for this question. The temperature requirement for cultivation of the Azolla is, there is need of the normal temperature, that is from 14 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius for the successful cultivation of the Azolla in the natural condition. How much phosphate is solubilized by phosphate solubilizing microorganisms? So 20 to 30% of the phosphate is solubilized by the different phosphate solubilizing microorganism. Then which of the following bacteria is isolated by soil dilution plate technique on the nitrogen free medium? So here the Azotobacter is the bacteria which is isolated by a soil dilution plate technique. Then mass cultivation of Azotobacter require optimum temperature. For the cultivation of the Azotobacter, there is need to maintain 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Then which of the following microbe fix the atmospheric nitrogen in free living as well as symbiotic condition? The Rhizobium can only fix in the symbiotic condition, Azotobacter in asymbiotic condition, and Cyanobacteria in symbiotic as well as asymbiotic condition, and hence C will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following microbe fix the atmospheric nitrogen in symbiotic association with the leguminous plants? The Rhizobium form the root nodules with the plants of legume or the legume bearing plants. It means that the A will be the correct answer. Earlier we have seen that is the free living bacteria and cyanobacteria in association with the other organisms, that is the roots of the higher plants as well as in the fern and the bryophytes. Then cyanobacteria found in symbiotic association with, here the bryophytes, and second one is a peridophyte. Earlier we have already seen that the Azolla is a peridophyte, or it is also considered as an aquatic fern. So this is one of the answers. Then second one, that is the bryophytes. If you see the Anthoceros genus, in which there is a presence of the algal cavity, in which there are the presence of cyanobacteria. It means that here it is found in symbiotic association in the bryophytes also and in the peridophytes also, and hence C will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following is not biofertilizer? Rhizobium, Azotobacter and Cyanobacteria, these are the examples of biofertilizer, while Agrobacterium is used in genetic engineering, and hence Agrobacterium is not the example of the biofertilizer. Then which of the following is a pair of biofertilizer? Salmonella, E.coli, wrong one. Rhizobium, grasses, wrong one. Here there must be the leguminous plants. Then Nostoc with the legume, this is again the wrong one. There must be the Azolla. Then Azolla and the blue-green algae, this is the correct one, and hence D will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following statement is correct? Legume do not fix the nitrogen, this is the wrong. Then legume fix the nitrogen independent of bacteria, this is wrong. Then legume fix the nitrogen through the bacteria in their roots, this is correct. And legume fix nitrogen through the bacteria in their leaves, this is also the wrong. And hence the correct statement, that is the C, will be the answer for this question. A biofertilizer involving with the peridophyte is, a biofertilizer, it means that Cyanobacteria, and the Cyanobacteria, that is Anabaena, is present in the peridophyte, that is the Azolla, and hence C will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following is not used as a biofertilizer? Not used. We have seen that various species of the bacteria are used as a biofertilizer. Even the Cyanobacteria having the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and hence it is used as a biofertilizer. And fungi, in association with the roots of the higher plants, again is used as a biofertilizer. But the algae is not used as a biofertilizer. Then which of the following statement is correct? Number 1, Rhizobium is free living bacterium. It is not free living, it is a symbiotic. Azotobacter is a symbiotic, again it is wrong one, it is a free living. Cyanobacteria cannot fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and Cyanobacteria in free living as well as in symbiotic association fixes the atmospheric nitrogen, and that is the correct statement. Then which of the following statement is not related to mycorrhiza? Not related to mycorrhiza. The many members of the genus Glomus forms the mycorrhiza. This is correct. Then fungal symbiont absorb nitrogen. This is wrong. It absorbs the minerals. Then plants show resistance to root-borne pathogens when there is mycorrhiza. There is overall increase in the plant growth and development when we have to use the mycorrhiza, and this is also the correct. And the not related with the mycorrhiza, that is the fungal symbiont absorb nitrogen, and hence it is the answer for this question. Then what is full form of the VAM? This is from the mycorrhiza, that is the vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza, on the basis of its structure, and hence A will be the correct answer for this question. Then biofertilizers come from, if you see the biofertilizer that are come from the plants, animals and the microorganisms, and hence the animals, plant debris and the microbes, foods and the other natural resources, that is all the above, become the answer for this question. Then which of the following statement is correct? Number 1, help to improve the quality of the soil. This is correct statement with respect to the biofertilizer. Help to ensure the optimized natural microbial environment, and this is also the correct with respect to the biofertilizer, and hence both A and B become the answer for this question. Then match the following pairs. The Rhizobium is found in the roots of legume plant. It means that it is a symbiotic bacteria. Azotobacter is a asymbiotic bacteria. Then Cyanobacteria is also known as the blue-green algae, member of the Cyanophyceae or the Mixophyceae. And mycorrhiza means the symbiotic association in between the fungi and the roots of the higher plants, and hence now they are correctly paired. Then Cyanobacteria are used as biofertilizers because they are. If you see the Cyanobacteria, the characteristic feature of the Cyanobacteria is to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and hence C will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following is a non-symbiotic biofertilizer? Vesicular arbuscular mycorrhiza is an example of the mycorrhiza which is in association with the roots of the higher plants. Azotobacter is a free-living organism, can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Anabaena is a symbiotic organism and can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Again, it is free living and can fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Rhizobium is also fix the nitrogen in symbiotic association with the leguminous plants. So, the only non-symbiotic characteristics is shown by the Azotobacter, and hence B will be the correct answer. Then are natural fertilizers that are microbial, bacteria algae and fungi. So all these categories that we have seen, they are the biofertilizers. Then a nitrogen fixing microbes associated with the fern Azolla in rice field is, earlier we have seen that there is a presence of Anabaena, that is a Cyanobacteria or the member of Cyanobacteria in the leaves of the Azolla, which is responsible to fix the atmospheric nitrogen, and hence D will be the correct answer for this question. Then which of the following is widely used as a successful biofertilizer in Indian rice fields? The species of the Azolla, that is the Azolla pinnata, which is in the thumbnail of this lecture, that is extensively used as a biofertilizer in the Indian rice fields. Then which of the following is an aerobic nitrogen fixing bacterium? The Azotobacter is aerobic, Clostridium is anaerobic, Rhodospirillum is anaerobic, and Rhodopseudomonas is anaerobic. So the aerobic becomes A, that is the Azotobacter, which is responsible to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Then biofertilizers are the living organisms which, if you see, the biofertilizers bring about the soil nutrient enrichment, which is the characteristic feature of the biofertilizer or the importance or the advantage. Then it maximizes the ecological benefits and minimize the environmental hazards. And all these three statements with respect to the biofertilizer are correct, and hence all the above become the answer for this question. Then which of the following aquatic fern is an excellent biofertilizer? Earlier we have seen the aquatic fern is a Azolla, which is extensively used as a biofertilizer in the rice fields. Then which of the following pair of characters is correct? Rhizobium, root nodules, correct one. Cyanobacteria are found in association with the Azolla, correct one. Fungi are found in association with the roots of higher plant, that is known as the mycorrhiza. It means that all the above pairs which are given in this question, they are correct, and hence they will be correct answer. Then which of the following is biofertilizer? Number 1, BGA, that is the blue green algae, that we have seen the Cyanobacteria are also known as the blue green algae. Then the mycorrhiza, that is the vesicular, then arbuscular mycorrhiza, that is also used as a biofertilizer, and hence both A and B become the answer for this question. Then biofertilizers includes nitrogen fixing bacteria only, not even the cyanobacteria are used. Nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria only, not the bacteria are also used, and the mycorrhiza is also used. Then the bacteria, cyanobacteria and the mycorrhiza, this is the correct one. Bacteria and cyanobacteria only, this is also the wrong one, and hence C will be the correct answer for this question. The biofertilizer present in the roots of leguminous plants is number 1, Anabaena, Rhizobium, Azotobacter and Cyanobacteria. The root nodules of the leguminous plant are because of the presence of Rhizobium inside it, and hence B will be the correct answer for this question. Then biofertilizers prevent the pest growth, wrong. It retain the soil fertility, correct. It kill the pest, wrong, and hence the correct answer will be B, that is retain soil fertility. Friends, thank you very much for watching this lecture completely. I am very much hopeful and confident that this lecture will be helpful to you in preparation of your online examinations conducted by your colleges as well as the universities in COVID-19 pandemic. Friends, if you like this lecture and if it is beneficial to you, then kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Botany for You, and also press bell icon for the alerts of every lecture to be uploaded on different life sciences titles. And don't forget to join the Telegram group so that you can take the advantage of the literature assistance in the form of PDF as well as the career opportunities in life sciences in India and abroad. If you want to contact us, please visit our website www.botanyforyou.com. Thank you very much.